Now there's two valves here, right? This valve here is what pumps the fresh water from this chamber under here. Now, if this water is contaminated the way it looks right now, right? You don't want the fresh water in there because you want to wait for that water to be done. So you're gonna turn it and you're gonna put it at the off button. Now this button here is an endless button. So there's no locking mechanism for it. You can just look at it. There's on for the water to pump back in, and here is off. So it can stop the water to pump in. Now this valve here, depending how you want to set it, does have a locking mechanism. So as you see here, come a little closer. There's a bottom, there's a bottom opening there. That when you open up this valve here, see the water drains out into your bottom compartment with the rest of the dirty water. Guys, this is simple and a great product to use. You lock your monitor in, make sure you put this side in first, and here we go. So again, this piston here, when you got it on the off button, it keeps all the water reservoir in here. When you open it up, the water goes down. So now, when I'm ready, now that this is off, there's no water coming in, I turn the valve on, I put this one off. Now, when I put my mop head back in and I want fresh water, the fresh water pumps right back. So I'm ready to use my mop all over again. No need to get more water.